Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about again multi-threading only, but we have one basic program that is odd even number. But using multi-threading, so we have used over here import threading and import time, and we have two functions. One is even function and one more which is odd function. And one simple message like print and even numbers in double quotation, so it will print as it is on your output screen. And then we have one for loop with the range of 0 and 31. Step count is 2. And then odd function, right now this line is in comment section right now only. Later on we will obviously remove that comment also. Print odd numbers and again the for loop and 1 to 31 and then print message. And then we have created two threads. One is even underscore thread and the second one is the odd underscore thread. And the target of this will be even function, and target of the second one will be the odd function. And then we are using that start function. Also we are using join function for even thread, and then odd thread dot start function. So control S and F5. So we are getting the output first of all even numbers, then all the even numbers, then odd numbers, and then all the odd numbers. So now let me close this window. Suppose if I remove this line, okay, join function and control S and F5. That means here both the thread now started. Okay, see, we are getting even numbers, we are getting odd numbers, and also we are getting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in that combination, because both are running parallelly, executing simultaneously. That's why. And if you want, like suppose you do not want to use this join function, okay, so in that case you can use this time.sleep. Okay, that means both the threads are started, but when this odd thread will jump over here, it has to wait for 5 seconds, and then only we can get the output of the odd numbers. So time dot sleep, and in the bracket it is 5 seconds. If you want, you can write 3 2 1 10 seconds, whatever number you want to write. So control S and F5. So this is even numbers only we are getting, and after that, after 5 seconds, we are getting what? Odd numbers. Okay, so this is all about multi-threading odd even number programs. Thank you everyone.